you have no for power with. When you strap, you have no for walk with. When you're back against the wall and you're stranded, who not there for you, no.
Hey you guys, it is Wednesday, January 1st. New Year's Eve was a bust, you guys. Had major plans to go to a New Year's Eve party. The party that I've been to this year would have been the third year, Deal or No Deal. And it was canceled literally while I was having my makeup done. So, go baby. So, didn't end up doing anything, much of anything really. Went to a headphone party, but it was a bust too. So guys, they flapped me on my show last night. Them not flap it tonight. They flapped me on my show last night, guys. They not flap it tonight. So the New Year's Eve party that was canceled yesterday is actually being reloaded tonight. So we actually have some place to go tonight, right, mommy?
They not flap my career tonight.
Watch, people probably not gonna dress up tonight, but I'm still wearing my dress because.
Then Cindy, them not just up your frock.
I want to wear it, mommy. That's still a theme. The theme is a theme. It hasn't changed. The party is the party.
Why do people go on with them old Kent Road?
People go what?
One way them tall dress.
Why? Do you know where this is? Is this like a...
Yeah, I know shot today. Dance keep the other way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Big pit?
Mm-hmm.
Day 2 of no party. I mentioned earlier today that... Baby, stop it. I mentioned earlier today that the party that we were supposed to go to last night had been reloaded. And it was. And as you can see, I am practically ready. I did my whole face. I did my makeup. Babe, lay down. Give me my pillow. I did my makeup. And still... you know, in the middle of all that, got notification that the party had been canceled.
Why am I always the last one to know what's going on?
Canceled again. I don't know why these people are doing this.
And you didn't tell me?
Really bad.
I told you as much as I thought you did.
Guys, I know it's dark, but yeah, I just made it to Mommy's house about 30 minutes ago. She is not here, so I am just spending the time editing the vlogs for you guys. So hopefully I can actually have a vlog posted while I'm in London. So here's to that. Hey guys, you should be all too familiar with this alleyway right now. Yeah, this is my probably 6th, 7th day here, and this is my first opportunity, first chance to get to the shopping center. I don't even know if they're still open right now. I just found myself with some free time, so I am going over there to see what, if anything, I can get. I found that I packed very poorly this time. I didn't pack a lot of tops, so I'm running out of tops. I have a lot of bottoms, but no tops. And I think part of it is due to the fact that I brought a lot of dresses. But I haven't really had a chance to wear all my dresses. So I'm running out of tops. Alright guys, so I totally feel like I made out just now. I told you guys I didn't know what time this place closed, and literally I got here and they're like, oh, it closed at 6:30, which meant I had about 45 minutes or so to shop. So I went to Next first. I got a pair of high-rise jeans there, and then I also went to, after Next, I went to Topshop, and I got a coat, guys, a wool coat, long wool coat for 20 pounds. Literally, it's like the color of my hat. So it's a little bright, it's a little different than something I would normally wear, but hey, 20 pounds. If I wear it one time, it's worth it. So yeah, your girl is very happy right now, because I honestly didn't know what to expect. I thought I was going to come here and everything was going to be closed, and it wouldn't have been a big deal because it's not like I had to come out of my way, you know. So yeah, I got 2 tops I got a very funky yellow wool coat. It's like ankle length coat. So it's super funky. And I got a pair of high-waisted ripped denims. All for like less than 100 pounds. All for less than 100 pounds, which I'm not mad at, because listen, I spent like a lot of money in the West End the other day, preparing for this damn party that never happened. So it's a bit of a relief to be able to get this kind of a steal here in Bromley. Whew. God, why do I feel so out of breath? Anywho, yeah, I'm gonna go and check Pencil now, see what she's up to. And then Babe and I are supposed to be going to dinner in Central London someplace. And that's it for the night. It looks dark, you guys, but it's only like 6:30. Oh God. So back to the car I go. I hope I have change to pay for parking. Guys, so it's the second time that I've come to Pencil's house and she is not here. Nowhere to be found. I just call her and ask her why she can't walk. So, so when you eat up with the man, you don't think about nobody. No, you want company, ask me, I'm walk, so. Lady gonna play a bingo. So she is playing bingo right now. I was just on the phone with her. So she'll be a while. And I am in the mood for some tea. So I made a cup of Ovaltine. And as you can see, I have my computer again. I brought my computer here yesterday, but it died while I was editing. And I didn't have my converter to plug, even though I had my charger, I didn't have my converter to plug my charger into. So I had to call it quits. So I just like took a nap until she got home. So now I have a full charge and I'm going to, guys, can you believe I've never had Ovaltine before? Normally Mummy buys me Horlicks because I love Horlicks and that's the only time I have it. It's like when I'm here. But she has no Horlicks. She only has Ovaltine and Milo. I'm not really a fan of Milo. So I figured I would try the Ovaltine, and it's not bad. So what I do is very Jamaican, you guys. So I will make my tea. If it's some kind of like sweetened tea, something that you use condensed milk in, I almost always put crackers in it. Yum, it's good. So I'm gonna put some water crackers in it. I'm hungry. I called her, why didn't you cook? I'm hungry. She was like, why you never come and tell me say you want something to eat? Someone could have cooked. I don't like food in my house. I'm not like I'm a food waste. Blah, blah, blah. I like this Ovaltine thing. It's nice. It's quite nice. Anyway, let me try to edit this vlog for you guys. And I will see you guys later. I think I'm supposed to be going out to eat tonight. Cheyenne's been on my butt. She said there's like a new seafood place that she wants us to try out. She wanted to try it tonight, but Babe and I are supposed to be going to dinner. So I told Cheyanne we can do that tomorrow. So we're going to do that tomorrow. But for tonight, we're supposed to be going to have a nice meal somewhere. Let's see how that goes. Later, guys. Hey, guys. So I am on my way to go pick up Cheyanne. We are going to check out this new restaurant here in London. She seems very excited about it. I guess she follows them on Instagram or something like that. and they're known for making
After
really
300
good.
yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto...
They're known for making really good seafood, like nice, tasty, like as Cheyanne would say, like seafood seasoned the way Black people season food, not just like, you know, the other way. So
At the roundabout,
yeah,
take the first exit.
we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully it's as good as she has hyped me up to believe that it is, and we'll report from there. There she goes. Silly girl. Come on in, Shouty.
Come and sit here.
Come on.
I'm not being serious.
I'm being serious. You are literally wearing the same shit that I'm wearing.
Oh God, Timothy.
Guys,
shoes.
in the back. They're in the back. Look, guys, she's like matching with me. I'm wearing gray jeans, ripped jeans that I bought at Next yesterday, and like a white tee, and she's wearing like a white tee. Like, what are the chances?
What is the chances of that?
Where's my lotion, girl? Oh, yes. Guys, she brought me the good shit. Ooh!
That's the one that I showed you in the shop.
Auntie.
That,
So we are almost there, you guys. We're about what, 2 minutes away?
literally.
Yeah, 2 minutes away.
Okay, keep going. We're number one trending girl. Happy boom thanks girl.
I have my own.
What is it called?
Number one trending gal. Number one trending gal. Or trending gal. Trending gal.
Okay.
One of those.
Okay, so it.
Independent gal. Real number one trending gal.
Now fi check when me spending, gal. Have me own house, now fi boom fence, gal. Me a one jail when I need jack pan the hill. Up on my wrist, ice like a freeze. I'm just a chill. The bigger sets come with attitude, stink like vegan.
Yeah, you guys. So Cheyanne and I are on our way to
Trap Kitchen.
Trap Kitchen, which,
Just opened up. There
yes.
used to be a takeaway place, and then I've been following them for ages on Instagram. And they opened up a restaurant all the way in.
Where is this?
This is all the way in Manchester. I was like, hell no, am I driving all the way there? So they opened one in
London.
what's this place called? Oh, Balham. Sorry,
Balham. Okay.
It's so packed.
Well, we're about to check it out. Guys, so we just made it to the Trap Kitchen, and it's hella tiny in here. Hella tiny. So the wait is about like an hour long. But we're gonna have a drink and wait for a turn for a table. And we'll do it like that. Okay, you guys. So we are at the Trap. And we've got waffles, we've got mac and cheese, we've got crab, we've got prawns, and we've got lobster over there. Are you excited, Shy?
You should do a thumbnail. Go.
Guys, oh my god. This mac and cheese. It's so good.
Trying this shrimp now.
Guys, this is Cheyanne's first time having crab. How is it, Cheyanne?
I'm like no longer a crab virgin. Oh my god. And it's so like juicy, you know? What crab was this? Snow crab.
Snow crab. Don't you get me?
Food makes me jump.
So how was it, Cheyanne?
Delicious.
Did you like it?
Took off some
What
of
was
my
your favorite?
foundation. Well, the first thing thing I tried was the macaroni cheese, and I was just like, this definitely be given by no white man.
Cheyanne.
I mean, let me say something nicer. I think the first thing I tried was the macaroni cheese, and I was like, this ain't no regular mac and cheese. And then I had the lobster, and Cindy had the crab, and the lobster. It's my first time trying crab, and I really liked it, but I feel like I preferred the lobster. It was a bit more chewy out, and it was like...
And you didn't have to fight as hard for it, right?
Tell me about it. It was already out of the
She was having a hard time with the crab, you guys. A difficult time with the crab. Yeah. Okay.
And the drink was amazing.
Okay.
And Cindy had boiled egg.
And it was delicious, guys, because it had the sauce on it. So, yeah.
Boiled egg.
Look at her. Look at this chick.
I said no.
No pictures, please.
I'm pregnant with a crab. We have a little lobster together.
Oh.
No.
Anyway, you guys, just finished having the most amazing crab and lobster and boiled egg. Hello. Guys, they served their lobster and their crab and their prawns, aka shrimp,
Perfectly.
with a boiled egg.
No, that was the bucket. That was the
That was on mine.
Cindy was so fast.
Go
She
large
had
or go home, you guys.
Two crab-like bundles.
Yeah.
And then she had what else did you have? Egg and corn on the cob.
Corn cob
and waffle
and prawns and waffle.
And what was the last thing? Shrimp and what was the thing that you
guys
about
don't say
macaroni
shrimp.
cheese?
You don't say shrimp. You say prawns.
Prawns.
Guys, it was everything. Cheyanne, I'm gonna let you drive for fear that you'll have a fucking heart attack. Okay, because this little chick has been like, can I drive? It's like a 5-year-old. Are we there yet?
No, we
Look at her, you guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my car. Can I connect my freaking phone to the
Your
music?
GPS?
No, I know my way home.
Oh, you do? Oh, my bad.
I need to sneeze like real bad. It's so fast. Damn.
I would like to keep my crab and my lobster down, please. Thank you.
I didn't realize how light the brakes were. Like I can tap them.
That's normal brakes.
Mine, I have to
If your brakes don't do that, honey, you need to get you some brakes, okay? Do I need to talk to my brother?
No, it's okay.
It's my broker man and a banger. I pick up Diane, one of my client. Me have couple, I'm a friend. A top scam, I grab card. When make it people go sad. When I never reach no card. Bad full up on the head. Sitting crib like a dog.
Dog them serious, hey. Dog them not nervous. No more can roll me.
And that's all the things energy.
One phone call it takes to make somebody wipe off her hurt and drop down flat.
Nah, me no matter how you want, me no care about that.
Can't talk in my face, so they run place and them they run round that.
I'm beautiful, so me
Nah, please.
no put me no chat, me no girl. Me money make a girl act suicidal.
Hey.
But there's female out there, tell them to confront. Location a change and the money me a on. First class up front.
Stunting. Them gyal say we sweet
Like dumpling.
Chewing. Kyle them thick like dumpling.
Alright guys, so this is the fit for the day. I'm wearing my ghost sandals from, I believe it's Alexander Vauthier, something like that. I don't know. And I'm wearing these pants that I got from Next, and this little white tee from Topshop, and this coat that I got from Topshop, guys, and you will not believe how much. 20 pounds, you guys.
Down from
120 pounds. Hello, steal of the century. I had to get it.
and
It's
what's
a
the
little loud.
accessory?
Accessories. Oh, okay, so YSL bag, hella cute. This is new from Bay. You know, just a regular, guys.
fraud. Sell out your freedom, and lesser than charge.